Hi, my lovelies. Okay, so we're going to be finishing up quilling today. Today, you must finish 1 or 2 quilling cards. That means you will pick a card and a matching envelope. They have to be the same color. Now, I have lots of different colors that you can choose from, but whatever color card you choose, you must also choose the same color envelope. They are a set. You go and choose 1 card and 1 envelope. Miss Fleming is going to call you table by table to go over and pick up your 1 card and matching envelope. You will make that card. You will put your quilling pieces on the card and glue it down, and then you will put it with the envelope, not in it, just with it. At the end of class today, you're going to be cleaning up. We're probably not going to have time for quilling again. Maybe on Thursday for learning extensions. I don't know yet. So you need to give me back my tool. Miss Fleming will show you where the tool goes. You must give me back my little bottle of glue. Miss Fleming will show you where the bottle of glue goes. You need to put your cards in the Ziploc bag. That Ziploc bag goes back in the class bucket, and that stays here. You do not take any of your cards home. They all stay here. Okay? Then, if by some chance you finish both cards, you're going to be able to start working on your math packet. The math packet looks like this. They'll become flashcards eventually. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 pages. And on each page there are math facts. What I'd like you to do is put your name under the X of each one on every single page. You can also see where I put right up here, I put J down for Miss Janowski. You would put B down for Mrs. Bowles' class, or F down for Miss Fulkerson's class. So your name goes underneath the multiplication, your name, and then your teacher's, the first letter of your teacher's name goes there. You have to do that on every single page on every math problem. Do not separate these. At the end of class, you give this back to Miss Fleming. You will take nothing from class today. All right, I want you to get to work. You've got a lot to do in a very short time. Miss Fleming is going to take notes for me and let me know who works hard and who doesn't. This is a time where I'm seeing if you can be independent. One of the next times we're going to be independent is clay. If you can be independent with quilling, that shows me you can be independent for clay. But if you can't be independent for quilling, that probably means no clay. You must complete at least 1 card today before you leave. All right. I hope you have a great day and you can do this. See you Thursday. Bye-bye.